Hi, this is Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories. And what do we have today? Well, we have another 6-inch rough country lift we did on the Chevy Silverado. So before we get started, if you have questions, that is our telephone number. The rough country lift will be on our website if you want to have it drop shipped, or you can have it installed by us. So that being said, come on over here. By the way, John, our general manager, is behind the camera today. And this is actually one of our regular customers, a great guy. By the way, come over here and scan right here. This is his merch here. IamMetalMerch.com. He's got some really cool stuff, so go check it out. I think it's some neat stuff. So what do we got here? Well, we've done the fender flares on here. We've done the running boards, and this time we have done was the lift kit. Now this is the rough country 6-inch lift, and this is the back part. You'll see we got some new shocks in the back over there, and you can see how much a lot more room he has. So when these tires run out, which we did sell him these tires if I recall, these are 35s. He'll probably be going 37s next. And you got plenty of room. If go in there and get a really good look. Now we did go with the upgraded setup there. If you notice, that's a strut in there, and I always like those a little bit better. I think they last longer, and they're actually a little easier to install. Easier, not as easy, but this is a great setup. I mean, it sits nice and high, just like my personal truck. And go ahead, John, pull the camera back. Let's get a really good look on the height of this vehicle now here. As you can see, it's got a great height to it. And I tell you, what I like about lift kits, besides looking really cool, I tell you, your vision is improved 10 times. You can really see out there. And then I tell you, here in Florida, we get bad storms, and you find debris on the road all the time from a storm, palm tree leaves and stuff. You don't have any problem with it. Roads flood, not a problem. You go right through that stuff. I tell you, every time there's some kind of bad storm, the next day everyone's getting stuck in the water. I don't get stuck because I got a 6-inch lift. And I think besides looking good, it's functional. And again, with the fender flares and everything else, I think this is a great look. So if you like any of this, we can sell you the parts. We can have it installed for you, whatever you like. We got you covered. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of the rough country 6-inch lift here on a Z71 Chevy Silverado. Thank you.